Hello, welcome back to my channel where we celebrate the tasty ingredients and cook delicious food together. If you have not subscribed yet, please click on the channel icon down below. I would love to share my weekly cooking experience with you. Here's the list of ingredients for the dish. The recipe can also be found in the description field down below. Today, we are going to cook the braised beltfish. Braised fish is a very typical dish in Korea and the northeastern part of China. On top of introducing another authentic and tasty Chinese dish to you, I'm also going to share a few tricks about how to fry the fish golden brown using a stainless steel pan. So, the first step is to dry the beltfish, which is already salted, using a kitchen towel. Make sure you dry each piece thoroughly, including flip some of the belly part open, and notice that I actually get rid of the black part of the belly. If you wanted to see how I clean the beltfish, please do put a comment down below, and I will create a tutorial. We're also going to slice the ginger into smaller pieces and chop some scallion, garlic, and the red chili. And so this is the one that has a beautiful name, African bird's eye chili pepper. Then in a small bowl, we're gonna add the cooking wine, light soy sauce, rice vinegar, and brown sugar. Five spice, a pinch of salt. Absolutely do not add too much because the fish is already salted. And add about a quarter cup of water. The last step is to stir in some cornstarch. Then we're gonna heat our pan. I'm using stainless steel pan. I'm not a big fan of non-stick pan because of the concern of the chemicals. Then add the oil, the cooking oil in, and put the ginger in. We're gonna stir fry the ginger first. This is the first trick I'm gonna teach you. Stir fry the ginger not only release the very good fresh ginger smell and add to the dish, but also will somehow play the trick to make sure the fish doesn't stick to the pan. Until you stir fry the ginger for a few minutes, typically 3 to 5. Don't burn it. Medium heat, once again, medium heat is the trick. Use medium heat. Then just arrange all of those beltfish evenly on the bottom of the pan. The essential trick of getting that golden brown color without breaking the skin of the fish is patience. Once again, I learned this very painfully. As a matter of fact, today in the tutorial, I'm going to share with you uh, the failed cases, but I have a trick to cover it. So fry about 10 minutes or until you can flip the fish without shovel it too hard. So the moment you touch it, it should release from the bottom of the pan. Then that means it's ready. So for example, this one is. However, when you push the fish and you feel very hard to push it off of the pan, do not continue anymore because you're going to ruin it. That means it's not ready. Look at this one. I ruined it, right? Bad example. I actually did it for a couple of them. I always lose my patience when I fry the fish for some reason. So just wait for a few more minutes until you can easily shuffle them and flip them. Look at my fault, right? A couple of them already ruined. I'm trying to show you the good example here, which is on top of that left corner. Those two pieces are beautiful. Look at these ones with the white meat. Those are the ones that I sort of ruined. But at least on the second side, after I flip them, I'm gonna be very patient. Look at this one, how beautiful it is. Same trick. Touch it. If it's easy to be released, lightly, gently touch it. Then that means they're ready. If not, if it keeps sticking to the bottom of the pan, don't touch it. You're gonna ruin the skin. Just wait. And keep touching them like what I do. Look, this one is released too. Until I exhausted all my patience, they are ready. But the result is so beautiful. So my trick to hide my problem is I show you the beautiful side. Look at this. That's my success. If you flip them, some of them are rather ugly. Anyways, now in the pan, you don't have to wash the pan. This looks a little dirty and ugly, but it's not. It's just the fish, the oil left over from when you fry the fish. It's absolutely okay. Add the garlic and the chili pepper in. Put some additional cooking oil in there if it's too dry. And just stir fry the chili pepper and the garlic. I fall in love with this African bird's eye chili pepper. It has a beautiful name, and if you like spicy food, I hope you will like it too. It adds that hue of spicy taste and fresh, make every food tasty like that. And the trick, if you don't like spicy food too much, you always can add a little bit rice vinegar or apple cider vinegar, depending on which type you like, and it will reduce the spicy taste and just leave the fresh taste in there. I love it. And then we're going to pour the liquid ingredients in so we can make the juice that we're going to drip on top of the fish. Wait for a few minutes until we bring the liquid into a boil. And it will become sticky, thicker. Then we're going to add the scallion for color and taste. Turn off the heat and pour it on top of the fried fish. And the meal, the dish is ready. Tasty, healthy, with a cup of rice. It's a beautiful lunch, tasty dinner, whatever you want. Thanks for joining me today. I hope I'll see you again. Please subscribe and support.